Imagine crafting a full song in just a few clicks. No musical background required, just pure creativity.
Waves roll in so slow.
Meet Song Generator, the tool that transforms your words into a melody ready to share with the world. Here is how it works. Start by entering your song description. You can choose between instrumental music or a fully produced song. Click Generate Music, and within moments, you will have a track ready to preview. Prefer a lyrical version? Simply toggle off the instruments and let the vocals shine through.
Waves roll in so slow. Feel the breeze soft blow. Seagulls call at dawn. Peaceful moments drawn.
Feeling extra creative? Switch to custom mode. Here you can enter your own lyrics. Select your preferred music style and give your song a title. Hit Generate Music and watch as your custom creation comes to life. Once your song is ready, preview it to ensure it hits all the right notes.
In the heart of the forest where the whispers sway, soft strings hum the tune of a peaceful day. Flutes sing with the breeze, gentle and free, a melody of calm where the soul can be.
If everything sounds perfect, just click download to save your musical masterpiece. From text to melody, your musical ideas come to life with Song Generator. Ready to create your next hit? If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.